Hello everyone, and let me see of how they look like at night. This collection of mine of new and top rare bougainvilleas, and I'm going to name some of them, and so excited ako na mag-bloom sila. Oh my God. Sana come September, October, or November, blooming season. Of course, and dito si Red Breeze Bar, and sa background niya nandito si Tima Yellow. Tima Yellow. Maraming sanga to dati. Yan lang pinopak na. Dito si ang kuripot nito mag-variegate. Si Adarna Moonlight. Yung iba ay ayan, Adarna Moonlight. Low light tayo. Yes, ito naman si nandito si Quincenera or your Queen Masuri or Chitra Masuri. Na-prop ako kasi yun si Red Glow. Yes, yun si Chitra Fatima. Excited, haba ng sanga yan. Chitra Fatima. Si Mickey. Belus White Bar. Dito si Ruby Flame Bar. Dami na dyan sa grafted. Dami na sa fly baits. Ganda ni fly baits. Yung si Royal Palace. Chitra Purple Sunset. Si Golden Raw. Kalbo. Dami yung golden. No, it's Chitra Gold. Tapos Asatea. Ay, din ito. I forgot. Asatea. Tama, Asatea. Ito naman si Taiwanese girl. Chitra Gold. Chitra Gold. Pataas Chitra Gold. Si Vera Orange Bar. Kalbo na. Naman si Dragon Pink Maspirak Yellow Mix. Si wow, ang ganda ng variegation. Dark one bar. Golden Raw. Grafted ko, pero malaki na siya. Si Romeo and Juliet. Yan yung malaki na yan. Ito si Red Breeze na rooted. Si SP Pink. King Opal Bar. King Opal Bar. Chitra Purple Sunset. Tima Yellow. Rooted Tima Yellow. Ito naman si Wahid Red din ito. Yan si Flame Red Bar. It's Arjuna Bar. And a lot of dishes in pastel orange over there. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching.